Samsung has officially started rolling out One UI 8.5, and this update could be one of the most important software upgrades for Galaxy users this year. The rollout began on May 6 in South Korea, and Samsung is bringing a bunch of new AI features, communication improvements, creative tools, and performance upgrades across multiple Galaxy devices. The company is clearly pushing harder into AI now, and One UI 8.5 seems focused on making Galaxy phones and tablets smarter, faster, and more useful in everyday life. Instead of only changing the design, Samsung is trying to improve the actual experience people have while using their devices. Let's first talk about which devices are getting the update. Samsung is rolling out One UI 8.5 to the Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25 FE. The Galaxy S24 lineup is also included, along with the Galaxy S24 FE. Foldable phone users are covered too because the update is arriving for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6. Samsung is also updating its tablets, including the Galaxy Tab S11 series and the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup. That means a huge number of Samsung users will eventually get access to these new features. But one of the biggest focuses in One UI 8.5 is communication. Samsung has added smarter text prediction, which should make typing faster and more accurate. The keyboard will now better understand what you want to say and offer improved suggestions while messaging. Another major feature is real-time language translation. Samsung wants Galaxy devices to become more useful for global communication, whether you're traveling, chatting with international friends, or working with people from different countries. Video calls are also getting upgrades. One UI 8.5 includes AI-powered noise reduction and auto-framing. So if you're on a video call in a noisy environment, the software will try to reduce background sounds automatically. Auto-framing will also help keep you centered during calls, making the experience feel more professional and smoother. Samsung is also improving creative tools with this update. AI-assisted photo and video editing is becoming a big part of One UI. Users can now remove backgrounds more easily, recognize objects faster, and make professional-level adjustments directly from their Galaxy device. For creators, students, and professionals, this could save a lot of time. Instead of using third-party editing apps for basic tasks, many features are now built directly into the system. Tablet users, especially those using the Galaxy Tab S11 series, are getting stylus improvements too. Samsung says the S Pen experience is smoother and more precise now, helping with drawing, note-taking, and editing workflows. But the biggest headline here is definitely AI. Samsung is heavily using machine learning in One UI 8.5 to create a more personalized experience. The software can now learn from your habits and suggest app shortcuts or settings based on how you use your phone. Battery management is also becoming smarter. The AI system studies your charging habits and tries to improve battery efficiency over time. This could help extend battery health and improve overall endurance. Samsung wants Galaxy devices to feel more adaptive and intelligent instead of just being powerful hardware. And honestly, that's the direction the entire smartphone industry is moving toward right now. Now regarding availability, the rollout started in Korea first, but Samsung plans to expand the update to more regions over the next few weeks. The company hasn't confirmed exact dates for every country yet, so users outside Korea may need to wait a little longer. Samsung usually rolls out updates in phases to make sure everything stays stable and bug-free. So even if your device is eligible, the update may arrive at different times depending on your region and carrier. Overall, One UI 8.5 looks like a major step forward for Samsung's software experience. Instead of focusing only on visual changes, this update is trying to improve real-world usability with AI features, better communication tools, creative enhancements, and smarter system management. For Galaxy users, this means your phone or tablet could soon feel more intelligent, more efficient, and much more capable in daily use. And with Samsung now pushing AI so aggressively, One UI 8.5 may also give us a good look at the future direction of Galaxy devices moving forward.